Here's the first one of these I've had the opportunity to picture up or do a video. 2021 Chevrolet Corvette. Convertible, hard top, retractable roof on this one. As far as the color on this one is Red Mist Metallic Tint Coat, FYI, which is a new color in 2021, and it's nice. It doesn't do it justice in the video of the pictures. You got to see this out in the sunlight. Now, miles on this car, not even broken in yet, literally 290 miles approximately on this car, and we'll take a look at the exact miles when we start it up and start it. When I say not even broke in, literally, these do have a 500-mile break-in period, computer controlled, and that'll limit the engine speed to 4,000 RPMs and also limit the torque to 330 pound-feet. Once that 500 miles is up, after starting and stopping the car again, it will boost the torque back up to 470 pound-feet, which is standard with the variable exhaust. And that's what this car does have, the variable exhaust, and also be 595 horsepower, 6.2 liter underneath the hood, and that is paired up with an 8-speed transmission with automatic and manual modes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the inside of this car, trunk, I guess, if you will, storage compartments, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us to 507-386-1726. Now, as far as options on this car, this is a 2LT, but a very nicely loaded 2LT, because you have some added features. You have the magnetic selective ride control. You do have the G2 bucket seats, which would be on the 3LTs. 19-inch front wheels and 20-inch rear wheels, and they are the 5 Trident spoke machine face wheels. And also the center cap, you can see it's a Spectra gray painted aluminum wheel, and then that center cap with the logo on it is also an option. I mentioned performance exhaust, so you do have the 495 horse, 470 pound-feet of torque once that break-in period is over. One of the other things up here, you do have the nacelles that are painted. That's what these two things are, but kind of come back off the roof line. Should get a good look at the roof here. And again, this is a hardtop retractable, so we're going to run that back down into the rear compartment where it goes, and we'll do a video of that so you can check it out too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, backup cameras on these and all your standard equipment that you're going to get on a 2LT package. Once again, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Once again, that phone number, 507-386-1726. This vehicle actually still has the protective coverings on the instrument cluster, as well as the touch screen panel that is in here. Also, the floor mats are still wrapped in the plastic. And let's go ahead and pop this open. We're going to check out that interior. We're going to start it up, see how it runs, and we're going to run this top down so you can see how that works also. Alright, of course, power seats on both sides. All your usual power mirrors, windows lock, Bose system, of course. Releases for the compartments front and rear right underneath here. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. We're going to check out the exact miles. Take a look at the screen as it comes to life here. You can hear that performance exhaust. Great sound to it. Here's your exact miles, 279 miles. Of course, you can change around the instrumentation screen. We're not going to mess with that too much right now. I want you to check this out. As far as if you were backing up, it actually projects it into the rear view mirror. Some very, very cool features on this car. If you're looking at one of these, You know as much about them, I'm sure, as I do, and going through what features this one has. You can check out the window sticker. I do have that uploaded on our website also. Heads up display, of course. You can see that up front. Stereo, everything works. I'm going to turn that down a second. All right, let's go ahead and slip around to the rear of this and see what you think of the sound, and then we're going to check out how this roof goes up and down also. Slip around to the back. Nice sounding car. Again, performance exhaust. That's going to give it a little bark when you get on the throttle. Again, once that braking period is over, this car literally has not been broken. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Somebody to help me out. We're going to run that top down so you can see how it works.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, got a little help on the top here, so we'll go ahead and show you how this works and how it goes down. Like I said, all power, retractable hardtop. This would be where the engine bay is, FYI. Underneath that cover, mid-engine. Look how quickly and easily that goes up and down. Wow, and all of a sudden, boom. There is your 2021 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Not even broke in, approximately 270 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the window sticker and more at our website where you can see those pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in